This is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy and delicious coffee granita. The preparation time is going to be about 10 minutes and then we have to freeze it for about 4 hours, but I promise every minute is worth it because it's so delicious. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a saucepan on medium heat, we're going to place 4 cups of water together with the cinnamon, also adding the vanilla extract, the sugar and the coffee. Give it a stir so the sugar and the coffee will start to dissolve, and we're going to cook this on medium-low heat until it boils, and once it's boiling, we're going to let it boil for 5 minutes. After the coffee has been boiling for 5 minutes, now we're going to place it on a large bowl, and I'm going to strain it just to remove the cinnamon. Now taste the flavor, add more sugar or coffee if you think it's necessary. And if you think it's too strong, also feel free to add more water if you want to. And then, once you're happy with the flavor, cover it with a lid and we're going to place it in the freezer for 1 hour. After an hour, this is how it looks. Now with a fork, we're going to stir it. As you can see, it's already frozen. We're just going to break it down with a fork. Break it down really well. And then we're going to place it back in the freezer for another hour. And then after another hour, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's getting harder and it's getting more frozen. So we're going to break it down with a fork again, just to make it nice and smooth. And then we're going to place it back in the freezer for another hour. And then after another hour, this is how it looks. I think it's looking pretty good. I think it has the consistency that I like. Now I'm going to break it down with a fork again. This is the consistency that I like, so it's ready now. Now I can serve it. And here I have my cup. I added a little bit of milk. It's almond milk, but feel free to use any kind of milk that you like. Then adding the granita. Then top it with whipped cream and garnish with ground cinnamon. And that's about it. This one is perfect as a dessert or as a treat any time of the day. It's so delicious. I really recommend it. Enjoy. To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!